fish.
McFarland, OnyxOutdoors, Randleman Lake.
Man, you see all the boats in the parking lot?
Yeah, it was a lot of boats.
Yeah, talking about fishing pressure. Good Lord.
Turn on the, how many feet of water is it?
I don't know, you know, that thing. Alright, son, drop the trolling motor. Alright, good job, son. Hold it, get him up before he taps something. That's a good fish. Turn around here so I can see him. Oh, you fishing with that little, what was that?
Caterpillar gorilla.
Turn around so I can see him. I'll let me see you getting the hook out of him. You must have bit it good.
Yeah. Big fish.
Nice fish. Yeah.
Yeah. OnyxOutdoors, baby.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. About a 2.5, 3 pounder.
Caterpillar grub, Bass Pro Shop Tournament Series.
There you go.
Yeah.
OnyxOutdoors, Team McFarland.
All right.
Yeah, I want to here. Take the camera. All right. Team McFarland strikes again. That's 14 inches, I guess.
Square bill bomber.
All right, crankbait bite.
Over the tree.
Over the tree.
Barely had him.
Yeah, you got to bump it off of something sometime. Good job, son.